Helion is the largest self-care company, not just in Pakistan.
How do you lead everyone? What is leadership to you?
आपको जान के बहुत खुशी होगी we broke a Guinness Book of World Record जिसमें हम एक वक्त में in Pakistan 1 out of every doctor or healthcare professional was part of our online event.
How do you take care of yourself?
Have that trust within the team. आपको कोई challenge आ रहा है इस वक्त तो it's important that you make sure that उस challenge को आप अभी address करें.
Pakistan, the quality of fresh graduates, are you happy with that?
Dental universities हैं या healthcare universities उनके साथ भी हम काम कर रहे हैं. The purpose of this organization and the company is to deliver everyday health.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Shifai Raj from CEO Club Pakistan and I'm back again with another episode of Coffee with CEO. Assalamualaikum sir.
जी वालेकुम सलाम.
कैसे हैं सर आप?
Alhamdulillah, Allah is very kind.
Sir, can you please introduce yourself for our audience?
So my name is Farhan Mohammad Haroon and I'm the CEO and General Manager of Helion Pakistan Limited.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Helion?
So Helion is the largest self-care company, not just in Pakistan, but also in the world. Our brands like Panadol, CAC 1000 Plus, Sensodyne, and even globally like Centrum, very recently launched in Pakistan, but Centrum, Edwil, Emergency, Caltrate, these are the big brands. And the purpose of this organization and the company is to deliver everyday health, better everyday health. जो मकसद है and the ambition and the purpose of this company is to actually make sure that people are able to take care of their own health. And self-care is actually very important and our objective is to tell everyone to take care of their own health.
Definitely, sir. Panadol is like really a household thing. Everyone has to have it. अभी मैंने घर जाके भी Panadol ही खानी है because after this event, I would need to have some self-care for myself as well. Such a global brand, everyone in the Pakistan and even abroad knows Panadol and lives by it. It's like their everyday routine. So, having such a big brand, how do you manage it all? How do you lead everyone? What is leadership to you?
The leadership is all about trust. Importantly, what you need to do is to have that trust within the team. So your team, the people reporting into them, stakeholders, vendors, suppliers, customers, even doctors and pharmacists and the traders. So you have to have that trust and then you work with them in terms of developing them. जैसे trainings हैं, जैसे enhancement of knowledge है. So Helion Pakistan has been working towards development of healthcare professionals as well. And we are working with academia, we are working with universities to make sure that we are able to enrich and take people at a higher level, develop them. So, आपको जान के बहुत खुशी होगी we broke a Guinness Book of World Record जिसमें हम एक वक्त में in Pakistan 1 out of every doctor or healthcare professional was part of our online event, training event. And more than 9,000 people were actively participating and there were 13,000 registrations. Now in Pakistan, we're 1 out of 5 doctors at one point of time connected to us. Yeah. Yes. So in terms of leadership, it's not just about managing that team. It's actually making an impact and working with all the stakeholders. So Helion as a company, as a business, as a very important stakeholder in the healthcare industry, we want to develop everyone. And that's the basic idea behind leadership.
So wonderful. So your brand is all about self-care. How do you take care of yourself?
There are a lot of things that you need to do. We are not just big in certain categories जैसे pain है, vitamins है, oral health care है. अगर आपको कोई चैलेंज आ रहा है इस वक्त तो it's important that you make sure that उस चैलेंज को आप अभी एड्रेस करें. Like bleeding gums, there is a solution Paradol. Like sensitivity, there is a solution Sensodyne. Then vitamins. Now in Pakistan, every 100 rupee that is spent on vitamin VMS category, nearly 1/3 of it is spent on us, on our brand. So the objective is कि हम सब लोग अपनी लाइफ का अपना इतना ख्याल रखें कि हम अपने सप्लीमेंट्स वक्त पे लें, हम एक्सरसाइज वक्त पे करें, हम खाएं पिएं बेहतर एंड देन ऑल्सो वर्क टूवर्ड्स इट. देखिए लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इज इंक्रीजिंग. अच्छा अगर हम 30-40 साल पहले देखें तो अब लोग ज़्यादा जी रहे हैं कंपेयर टू एट दैट बैक देन एंड आगे ये और बढ़ेगा. सो दिस मीन्स कि जो लाइफ के आखिरी के 8-10 साल हैं उसके लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट तो अभी करनी पड़ेगी ना अपने आप पे.
Definitely.
So I think that's what we want to work on. That's what we are working with the stakeholders. The government है, local जो stakeholders हैं, doctors हैं, मैंने काफी तफसील
But
बताई.
isn't it कि आजकल because of such हमारे especially पाकिस्तान की अगर बात की जाए because of the air quality and the amount quality of food जो हम इतना oil डाल के खाते हैं, the quality of life in itself is decreasing by significant कि हम लोग वापस उसी step पे आ गए कि even after all the medication and after all the assistance from other sources we're still back at it. Is that not the case?
सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में नहीं, you go to any country in the world, कोई ना कोई challenge तो है. पर इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है कि आप फोकस कितना कर रहे हैं अपनी हेल्थ पे. सो अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल लोगों को देखें इन्वेस्ट दे आर जॉगिंग, स्पोर्ट्स में हैं, यू नो, गोइंग टू जिम एवरी डे. यहाँ पे इस तरह से नहीं है. एंड देन लाइफस्टाइल के अंदर हमें वो चेंजेस भी लाने पड़ेंगे. हर जगह प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, बट आई थिंक जो डेवलपिंग वर्ल्ड के चैलेंजेस हैं वो रिलेटिवली डिफरेंट हैं. इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है कि आप अपनी हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना शुरू कर दें. अपने आसपास पेरेंट्स, बच्चे, it's so important. When if you have to brush your teeth twice every day, why don't use a product which is helping you improving your life? आज अगर आपको कोई vitamins की कमी है, then you need to start working towards it, right? So active participation towards health of your family, your neighbors, your people who are dependent on you. That's something that one has to start working on.
That is very true, sir. Sir, aside from that, in Pakistan, the quality of fresh graduates, are you happy with that?
जिस तरह से improvement of technology हो रही है, मैं आपको भी एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि हम लोगों ने अभी तक आपने फार्मास्यूटिकल्स में देखा होगा कि हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोडक्शन लाइन होती थी, एक प्रोडक्ट बन के लंबी. Now world is moving towards different technologies. अभी हमने recently जाम शोरूम में जो हमारा प्लांट है वहाँ पे we have invested about $12 million. तो vertical technology पे हम काम कर रहे हैं. Now from engineering perspective, we'll have to work with academia. इसी तरह अगर हमें R&D करनी है, नई प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट पे काम करना है, तो क्या हमारे फार्मासिस्ट इतने ट्रेन हैं या नहीं. So important चीज़ है कि ये हैंडशेक हमें एज इंडस्ट्री एंड एज एकेडेमिया करना पड़ेगा. We have already started working on it, and we have a lot of examples where we have already worked with certain universities जहाँ पे हम उनके पास जाके उनके साथ काम करते हैं, सोल्यूशन की तरफ काम करते हैं. उसमें नॉट जस्ट हमें फ़ायदा एज इंडस्ट्री या टू हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल, बट ऑल्सो देयर इज अ बेनिफिट दैट एकेडेमिया वुड गेट. हम डेंटिस्ट जो है यूनिवर्सिटी, डेंटल यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं या हेल्थ केयर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, उनके साथ भी हम काम कर रहे हैं. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि इवन इफ देयर इज़ अ challenge, even if there is something which is not there, it's important कि अब हम हैंडशेक के साथ अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाएं.
नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? डेफिनेटली सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड हो ना हम लोग भी. सर, लास्टली, any 3 core competencies that you think the youth should develop to compete in this competitive market?
देखिए, एक तो है ना, we'll all have to understand कि we'll have to unlearn what we usually have been seeing. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के पास या जो यंग लोग हैं उनको ये अडेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, इनको मेक श्योर करना पड़ेगा कि जो नई चीज़ वो देख रहे हैं, दे शुड बी वेरी वेरी रेडी टू लर्न. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, बहुत बार है कि आप एग्जिट मोड में ना चले जाएं. यू क्वेश्चन व्हाट यू सी, एंड द मोर यू क्वेश्चन, द मोर यू आस्क, यू विल लर्न मोर. और दूसरा, स्पेंड मोर टाइम. आप इतना इम्पेशेंट नहीं होना है. जब ज़्यादा हम इम्पेशेंट होते हैं ना, तो देन यू लूज अ बिगर पिक्चर. And there are companies, there are businesses, there are careers जहाँ पे you'll have to, you know, test your patience, work for a while, and then you grow. बहुत opportunities हैं. I mean, in my company, my whole leadership, हम लोग सब यहीं काम करते थे, and then we were all exported outside by the same company. और उसी में फिर हम वापस आए at a high level, and now we are serving. इसी तरह आपको बहुत सारे नए ट्रेंड्स के लिए भी ओपन होना पड़ेगा. I mean, you're representative of diversity as well, right? लड़कियां हमारे कंपनी में they were only 6% girls 3.5 years back. Now they're 23%. So it's important कि हम नए जो है ना, जो जहाँ पे challenges हैं, उन लोगों को भी on board लेके आएं, उनके साथ काम करें, उनकी भी pain point समझें. So it's both ways, but I think थोड़ा सा patience
is needed. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and your time. Thank you so much for. I loved having you here. Thank you so much.